Hi guys, today we playing mukbang game into the some chicken and some cold water. Okay, mukbang city guys. Time to eat. Nam, nam, nam. I want to eat this in like LOL. Delicious chicken. Yummy. Okay guys. You want to join me? Just add me. Don't mind the name. This. Yeah. You want to add me in Roblox. This is what that? Mukbang chicken is delicious. Yeah, I practice a little English one time. Huh? What's that, guys? Okay, guys, my dad sent me me or eat or not. I said not. Give me more food. Then you ramen and what? Clean the table. Okay. Eat ramen for so delicious. And my water is kind of spicy, I think. Yeah. Let's eat some sushi. Ale. Why? Sushi. Nah, sushi is not good. Let's buy some. This soup. I love spicy and coke. I'm little sick, of course. Gimme. Guys, kaon ka mas bang food before after my channel or not? Comment below. You sub to me, I sub to you back. That's fair. Okay, this video kind of 5 minutes long. Kay 2 minutes going to me going to the hotel. I'm going to hotel 2 minutes. This video is fast. My mom tell me that. Oh no. Okay. 3, 2, and go. Goodbye, guys. See you later on tomorrow. 3, 2, 1, 2. Bang.